Oh.
My license?
No. I don't think no one's going to try and impersonate you.
You never know.
You never know, that's true. Strange things these days.
Yeah. They empty my
I'm trying, David. Alright. I'll meet you over there. I'll cut it out. Hey, there's a big fat wad of a piece of plate that I think is really holding you up. Is right behind you, buddy. Don't forget about your first ticket in there. So you got 2 tickets in there. I want to say your first ticket was more than $100.
I don't know.
Moped, right?
Yeah.
Scooter, whatever.
That's a four-wheeler.
A 4-wheeler. Not a motor vehicle. And we're still on 0 motors. These are aluminum. That's aluminum. That's aluminum. That one might be brass. Yep. You ground that one. Yep. This afternoon's goal is to take care of all that. That's this afternoon's goal, if we're not busy. What are we, day 34? What do we got? Let me see. Pounder number 1. Two and 5. We got number 1 and number 2 copper for newer people. There's actually 4 types of copper. You got strip wire, which is Bambrite. Number 1, number 2, and number 3 is sheet. You want to do the extrusion? Extrusion?
Okay.
Extrusion.
Yeah. I don't know how.
That's aluminum. Now just go with this stuff.
These are the
Yeah. Boy.
windows.
Yep. That's an extrusion.
You want me to handle it from here?
Yep, I want to get all your extruded right here.
Blow these out.
You find all these?
I have windows in my house.
Huh?
The windows in my house.
Oh, you redid them? Well, at least you're getting reimbursed a little bit, right?
Yeah. It's been sitting for a while.
Because it's been probably It's been probably 2 months since you've been here.
No.
More?
Yeah. I think so.
Think we can roll it down? Think we can roll it? Yeah.
You want to roll it over there?
You think we can get it?
Yeah.
At least he's very organized. No sooner than you dump the bins, they full back up. Except for this. Getting colder.
I know.
Feel that wind?
I like the hot weather.
I don't like the hot weather. Especially when you're on a torch. You're on a torch. Summer ain't no joke in Florida because of the humidity.
So the spring, this over there, and the little one goes there.
No, put those down there.
This one?
Yeah, on the other side.
Okay.
Yeah, dump the whole thing. Yeah. Same thing. That one.
Here.
Oh, yeah, I want this over here. Take everything apart.
I don't have nothing else to do. I have to depend from the wife who take care of me.
Frick.
I got those little pieces of.
There you go, sir. 70. $347. I think after that piece you'll have it, you know, right there. Hey, I got glasses. I think it might do it. I think, you want to try and collapse it?
I think you take this out.
Yeah. Where's your crane now?
Tim has it.
Oh. So what's wrong with the Atlas?
Still working on it.
You want to get on there and I'll lower you down? Oh, what the? Oh. Oh yeah. Here it is. You want some treats? You want the treats? Sit. Delilah, sit. It's okay. Sit. 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 Come on. Good girl. It's okay. Good girls. All right, go girls. Oh, my friend right there. Oh. How we doing, Jose?
Good, good.
She's a little skittish today.
Huh?
She's skittish.
Oh.
Yeah. That's an interesting way. Huh?
You got my computer.
No. Scrap.
Oh, yeah.
I know, that's cool, right?
My neighbor got like 3 of them.
Just needs a rim and a seat. And this would be good for someone out here in Buffalo who don't have a car.
Yeah.
Look, you can go shopping, you know?
How much it go for?
What's that?
How much it go for?
It was like 39. Probably like 10 bucks.
I'll buy it from you.
Okay.
You just $10 right now.
Yeah, that's fine.
I'll find me one of these.
Hey, that's why I put it over here. So I didn't put it in the bin because I knew somebody today would see that and would want that.
My neighbor put it. I find me one of these yesterday. Remember the one you got over here that I said that I want?
Yeah.
You know what? It's out of what? I had to put these more over here.
What? Because they're aluminum.
Oh. You
That,
know why it's thrown away?
why?
They bought their tire and they gonna put it on the back tire.
Those are gonna go over here
Where?
in that one.
They bought that tire, they cannot put it on.
Nah.
Throw it away. Brown family new.
You can't get that off, huh?
Huh?
Yeah, get that off real quick. What are you doing, my friend? Hoss, what are you doing? You're such a good girl. You're such a good girl. What is that? What is that? She's such a good girl. She's following you. Now it's clean.
Yeah.
You don't want to do it? You want to take this off? What am I caught on? That's clean.
They got rollers.
I think the rest is clean. Yep. Okay. Oh, you like sticks? You like sticks? You like sticks? You want one more? I give you one more. You one more. You're so gentle. You're so gentle. Some of it. Some of it. These over there. Yeah. Okay. What's that called?
What?
The ladder.
Construction, no?
Yep. No, 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 negative, negative. You see what I got right here? I'm gonna take that shit. It's the next one. Not yet, hold on. Make sure my lists don't go off. Not yet. Not yet. Yep.
Here?
Yep, that's fine. I'll put this right here, and I can just give it right to Miguel. She's right there. I think she's right on the other side. Oh, the tin? 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 116. 116. This nice heavy load. Valves. No brass. I don't think they would send this to me for this. Or that one. I'll just come here to see if he's got the jam out, which he hasn't got the jam out yet. What are we on? Oh good, we're up to 59%. Okay. You got copper. You got copper? Copper. Yeah. It's on 2. Let me zero it for you. You can do that. Do that empty one. I need one more thing. That won't come off of there?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah, but it's a damn. I don't have Allen.
You gotta buy them. Or find them scrapping.
Still working on this thing.
And then put these over there, Dawn. Yeah. Yeah, put those on the big scale.
I got other things stuff. In the back of the truck. Let's see. This piece is clean. Some of this is extrusion. I just took all the screws out.
This isn't though. That's extruded. Hold on. Do your
aluminum?
clean, yeah.
Now this is heavy.
That's stainless.
Oh yeah.
Aluminum. 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 Steel, yep. What does the scale say? 47. Drink a cold beer. Drink a cold beer. Said drink a cold beer. It's 52. Sure. 52. It's on 24, so 10 pounds.
That's what I brought the maintenance guy.
Light? Dirty? Yep. Yep. 8. 16. 18. Yep. Two pounds of copper, Don. Yes, sir.
Move that real quick. I need to get through, bud.
Get out! Get out! Here, you can have, throw it all in there.
Clean.
Oh, it clean. It's a pound.
Come on.
One, right there.
Dirty.
1 and 2.
There's one.
Like 157.
Don't forget my aluminum.
I did it.
Why is my trailer like?
Alright, we got this big old chunk of clip right here, or MLC. So we're gonna melt off these cables, and I'm gonna grab it and set it out there, and we're gonna weigh it. I'm gonna guess like 600 to 700 pounds is what I'm gonna guess. Always gonna have the glasses. It's a pretty green. Good way to stay nice and warm today. sorry about the camera falling down. I think when I hit my track with the claw, it did it. But let's see. I'm guessing 600, because that's pretty thick stuff. I wonder what they're gonna call this. I think we have like 4 of these at one time, and I recorded the shear chopping it into pieces into a bin probably 4 or 5 months ago. That's a big chunk of aluminum. $7.28. Dan, you're over. Haha, you went over.
Yeah.
Yeah, because you said 7:30.
You see, if I cut this, that would have been 7:30.
Probably. Yeah, you melted away your winning weight. So 7.28. It's a nice chunk of aluminum.